Elevate is rooted in the principle of elevating lives through strategic multifamily real estate investments, both residents and investors. We recognize the transformation power of real estate not just as a wealth building tool, but as a means to create lasting legacies, secure futures, and achieve financial freedom. We spent years honing airtight systems and processes to ensure that our investors are stacking win after win when they partner with us. Over the years, our commitment to excellence has translated into some significant milestones. Since our founding, we've acquired over 6,000 units, showcasing our expansive reach and trust in the market.
That's right, Brian. And with 1,608 units gone full cycle, we've demonstrated our ability to see projects through from acquisition to successful exits, creating maximum returns for our investors. Our ability to raise $120 million in equity stands as a testament to the confidence our investors place in us and our strategies.
And let's not forget our asset management. With over $500 million in assets under management growing, we showcased our capability to handle large portfolios with precision and expertise.
What truly sets us apart, Brian, is our holistic approach to real estate investment. We don't just see properties, we see opportunities to enhance communities, create value, and most importantly, elevate lives.